What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can turn on this razor blade split mode in CapCut PC. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So turning on this razor blade mode, aka split mode, really helps you cut your videos more efficiently and a lot quicker than usual. But if we go to shortcuts right here, there is no real obvious way to turn on this mode. But with some trial and error, I found a really quick way. So the way that you turn on this razor blade split mode in CapCut is by just pressing your B key. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press B. And as you can see, the mode is turned on. And also the way you turn it off is by pressing A. So there we go. So to recap, press B to turn it on and press A to turn it off. And that's how you can turn and off the razor blade split mode in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.